When a scientist on Earth makes huge magnets, the magnets attract the sun and appears to have a steel core. The sun coming closer to Earth is also hastened by the fact that humans have been polluting the Earth. And also, the sun is very angry. Hi, I'm Simon from the Channel 8 News Times.
And I'm Rupert from Channel 8 News Tribune. And today in this episode of Popcorn and Caviar, we will be reviewing the new film, Sunfall. Now, I personally love this film. It gave something new to the usual mundane nature of disaster films.
And it accomplishes that by being quite creative, and also while maintaining a sense of dignity.
And I also like how with the same dignity, they incorporated the warning against pollution in this film.
Yes, it wasn't too heavy-handed, there wasn't too little of it. Some of these films just have too little of it. It was handled quite nicely.
It's because of pollution. Pollution has caused all of this.
Well, we cannot keep on discussing this movie without hitting it into spoilers. So for you, those at home who have yet to watch this movie, please tune off. Maybe take this on your VCR so you can watch it later after having seen the movie.
Let's talk about spoilers now.
Okay, first thing I want to talk about is that twist at the end. I did not expect that.
Neither did I. Who would have known there were tiny midgets with bushy beards who lived in the sun's core and farted the fiery gas? Now that is pure genius.
The other thing that was genius about it was how the farting midgets conjured up imagery. It made you realize how our egos are small but also stinky.
You know, this is what this film does best. It makes you think on many different levels.
Yes, but let's get back to those midgets. Another thing I liked about those midgets were that they were very enjoyable to watch. I also liked how they incorporated the storyline of the woman with the magnetic wart on her nose into the little tiny midgets' wacky adventure to find more space beans.
I liked how they incorporated the deep character study of how Warty, that's what I'm calling her, was able to find her true purpose in life.
And who would have known that her true purpose in life was to be the comic relief?
You know, she's different from regular people, so it's okay to make fun of her.
And make fun of her, they do. Those midgets do a fantastic job of making fun of warty people.
As fun as that was, I really did not like the false ending of Steven Seagal karate chopping the sun in half in order to save humanity. I think it really took away from the film.
Well, I like the false ending. I don't think movies use it enough these days. The false ending gave the audience a false sense of security, making think that the movie was over. But then, kabam! The movie was not half over.
That's right, I did appreciate the intergalactic war between the farting midgets and the leprechauns with explosive diarrhea. I really did feel that it gave another depth of development to the film.
It doesn't just develop the film, but also gives you the amusing aspects of midgets and leprechauns engaging in chemical warfare. It really makes the movie worth watching a second time.
I agree. I would consider the final battle as being explosive.
Explosive, now that's a good one. Well, overall, I would recommend this movie, and I give it a thumbs up.
I also give it a thumbs up. I think it would do very well at the Oscars.
Coming up, a review of Dr. Groovy, or how he stopped not being groovy and started being groovy again.